to another. Slow it down and break it down. We'll go through some of our materials in a little bit more detail. So this material we have today is one of our Snack Read Mats. So if you're thinking about pre-K, kindergarten, and maybe even first grade, your child should be able to recognize some letters, also recognize some sounds, also have the beginning concept of blending letters together. Let me show you a little bit of how it works. This mat features a picture with a corresponding three-letter word that's short and easy for your child to sound out. Your child simply begins with the first letter and then adds the other two to blend and sound out the word. Using a small snack or manipulative, your child can take their time to sound out each letter and isolate each sound. And this can be done by placing a snack or manipulative above or below each letter. Your child can do these in order, or they can find different words that you select for them. You can even cover up the pictures and have them sound out and guess which words are which. You can find this material in the laminated version like this at youcanteachyourtot.etsy.com. Available on our Teacher Pay Teacher site handle, You Can Teach Your Tot, in the downloadable form. Also check our youcanteachyourtot.com site where you can find a mix of these materials, including printables, physical versions, and a couple freebies. Thanks for watching.
You can teach your tot.